Hello guys, I will say running water never gets old. So you keep got a floating. I am I am today I am I saw a video that's have that quote. I passing through the main market and I read this quote on the bored and I just get the thinking about that quote all the day and I pursue something from my mind. I create something from my mind, what the meaning of that quote. And we also know that because like the water that is stuck at the place and in the pits are the cause of mosquitoes, bad things, bad disease, and they are not usable, they are not used by pupils. But the floating water are usable, are used for drinking, are used by animals to drink, and never gets old, always looks, and this makes our nature beautiful. But the stuck water and the stop water makes our environment dirty, because there's a lot of difference. So from this quote, the I don't know who said that quote, but it's a good quote, and the quote said to us because we need to be in our life, keep floating, keep progressing, because when we are stop at some things to acknowledging the thing, because we have to keep progressing, because the modern world because in modern world peoples are progressing day by day. If we stuck at our things due to some reasons, then we are lagged by them. So like when we are in a particular field and doing something want to great, but we are not doing things because we are lazy, because you are nervous, because you are lazy, not want to do work, and you you just lost your like 2 hours, uh, like 2 days or 2 months in your progressing. You just lost your when you are preparing for something, uh, and uh, you leave for 5 days, so you are just lagged by not only 5 days, you are lagged by 10 days, because you need to cover that 5 topics. Then after 10 topics will be acquired, will be happen. So if you want to be progressing, so never stop at the one position. If you want to get the goal, then just floating, just progressing, never stop at the middle, because the person who never starts have the thing, have the thought, I never start. If I start, then I will completely get my goals. So they have that thought, and they are happy with that thought. And those position with really got their goal, so they have the thoughts like, I dream it and I acquired that goal. So that thought give him give him amusement, give him happiness. But the middle position, the worst thing to stop in the middle is for middleman, because they also start, they stack at the middle. They have not the feeling, not the thinking of happiness, because they know they start, they have dream it, they had dreamed the goal, and they just stop in the middle and not go further, but even further, because they are lazy. They can do, or they should do these things, what they don't do because of his laziness. So I always say, we should keep progressing in our work in every field. If we want to be progressive in any field, then don't believe that you just get the thing in is instantly. You just have to be consistent with your work, like keep progressing consistently, then you will get the goal that you want. And for today I will say to you, it's over. And I will give you some fact. I just read it from the social media, like octopus have three heart. We have only one heart, and that one heart really so much pain of breakup and have so much stress on our one heart. But the octopus have three hearts, so you can assume his pain and pain and agony on his heart. uh, I'm just joking. And from two hearts he give and passes blood to his gills. And from third heart he passes blood to all over his body. These are the fact for today. I will give you some more interesting fact in coming videos. If you like it and you like my content, then follow for more videos. Tada, bye bye.